How to save post on Pinterest. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. To save post on Pinterest, all you need to do is follow these few simple steps. So first thing first, open a Pinterest app. Now find the post that you want to save. So select any post. Here let me select this one. And after you open the post, here right below the post you will find this option of save. So tap on it. And as soon as you tap on it, the post will be successfully saved. And now if you are wondering how can you find that post, all you need to do is go back to your profile. So here on bottom of your screen you will find different options. So on bottom right hand side you will find this option of saved. So tap on it. And then you will see this page. So on top of your screen you will find this option pins. So tap on it. And there you will find all the posts that you have saved on Pinterest. So this is all you need to do to save a post on Pinterest. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.